Hi guys, welcome to After the Knot. This video is gonna be pretty awesome. I'm super excited about it. We are redoing our kitchen countertops, DIY style. So, follow along if you wanna know how to do like a faux marble look on your countertops. If you didn't watch our video already on how we did our table, you should go check that one out. That's kind of like a sneak peek into this video. We'll leave a link in the description to go to that video. But yeah, check it out. Let us know what you think, and here we go. Okay, so first thing we had to do was cover up the cabinets. We just used grocery bags, cut them in half, and used some painter's tape to kind of secure them at the top. That way we don't have any drips down onto our nice cabinets because we are leaving these as is. And we did that all the way around. So you can use whatever, garbage bags, just something to cover those up. And then we had to pull out the fridge and the stove. That way we can get the inside of the countertops to be able to paint those, because you don't want to leave that the blue color, because then it's gonna you're gonna see that on the sides. So we pulled these out, cleaned behind them, prepped them, ready to go. And now we're just gonna start painting. You don't need to sand it for laminate. If you have a different like finish on your countertops, you might need to sand it. Maybe Google that. But we have laminate, so we're just gonna go ahead and start rolling. Okay guys, so I just finished rolling the first coat of the countertops. So as you can see, it's obviously very spotty because we're painting over a dark blue color. It'll probably take, I want to say, like at least 2 coats, maybe 3. What do you think?
At least 3, I'd say.
Yeah. So as you can see, we had this all taped off. I used a brush to get like in these small areas around the sink and behind the sink. And then we just painted along all the countertops. See, we got the sides too. That's why we had to pull out the fridge and the stoves. But yeah, so first coat is done. I'm so excited to see it done, like you don't even understand. So pumped. So we just finished the last coat of paint on the countertops. It took us 4 coats to get it to the look we wanted, just because the blue that we were painting over was really dark. So when you're going to a light color, obviously dirty dishes, don't mind that. But 4th coat turned out really nice. So we are going to start doing the marbling process. We're gonna leave that up to Isaiah because he's really good at it. I am too OCD, so Isaiah's gonna start marbling. I'm really excited. But yeah, there's an update for ya. Okay, so Isaiah started marbling the countertops today. We finished the 4th coat. Here is the first section. If you haven't seen our video already of what we did to the table, how we did like the marbling technique, check that one out. Isaiah talked in good detail about the process of how to get the marble look, but we just wanted to kind of show you it in action over here. Looks so good.
Gotta try to work small areas.
Yep, small areas. Little bits at a time.
All right, so we are a little bit over halfway done marbling the countertop. I'm doing the same thing I did before as I did with the table. Just kind of starting with a small brush. Just drag in a thin stripe of paint. A little more. Okay. Then come over and give a little bit of a mist. And then just dab it with a brush. This part can get a little bit messy. If you watch a table video, you'll understand what I mean. But best thing I've found to do, if you get too much water, you know, and you want to dab up a little bit, just take a paper towel, just kind of run it along. Personally, I like to leave a little bit of the water there when I do this because it kind of gives it more of a cloudy look, almost like a shadowy look, which if you're going for a more authentic marble look, that's more what you want. All right, let's finish up the rest of this countertop. All right, so we are officially done with the countertops. I forgot to mention that we use the water-based poly for the top coat on these. If you watched our table video, we use the same exact stuff that we used for the top coat of the table. So it's gonna take a couple weeks to cure. So until then, we'll have these nice clean countertops. Just kind of avoid setting really heavy objects or anything super hot or cold on them. Overall, really happy with how the marbling turned out. If you guys have any questions, let us know. We hope everybody enjoyed. And as always, thank you for watching.